Hi friends, good afternoon to one and all. Friends, as the occasion of Diwali has come, so the one thing which I really felt to share with all of you is that we need to have an successful life. Diwali festival, when I say, people can celebrate. We see all over the world people are celebrating through various sources, by enlighting the lamp. Okay, we say diya. By enlighting the lamp, or by burning the diya, by keeping it in front of the house. Even during this occasion, we see the in the festival of Diwali, we see many of us do Lakshmi Pujan, wherein the you can say money, ultimately the money has been praised, and also everyone is always trying to seek the blessing by asking Almighty Lord to bless with a good health, wealth, and a very beautiful life which each and everyone deserves to have. Friends, the main reason of my video today on this occasion of Diwali, I feel I would enjoy Diwali when I am having that feeling of enlightenment inside my heart. Means my soul. When I talk about my soul should be enlightened. We see many people are doing burning crackers, enjoying their life and all. We accept it, but that will be for a time being. A person, you must have seen, all of us in the history, that many peoples, whether you can talk about a billionaire, millionaire, or any successful person, whether it can be Dhirubhai Ambani, and we can take so many names, you can say, and even philosophers also. I can talk about Dr. Abdul Kalam. So all these people who are being successful, they have enlightened their soul also. Means they have make it a point by taking each and every moment as an opportunity in their life. They were never afraid of any drawbacks or any difficulties whatever is coming to them. Drawbacks in sense, you can say, sometimes we feel that the problem is getting bigger than our we can say confident, so they have not taken this point as like that. They have taken this point in a way, they have decided that they have not only decided, but I feel that they have taken that thing very practically, and they have put that example that yes, God, uh, I was wrong to say that my problem is bigger than my God, but yeah, I have a very small problem which can be have a solution. Okay, means in short, it will be my God is bigger than this problem, who is able to solve this problem at each and every moment of my life. And ultimately, when I talk about Diwali, I feel that I can celebrate Diwali when I'm actually getting successful, when I'm happy from inside, when I feel that I'm completed. So thanks to my true master, first of all, I would really like to thanks my true master, who has given me this divine knowledge, and ultimately by having this divine knowledge in my life, I'm able to get it implement to my day-to-day life, and so I am able to get succeed. There are many drawbacks I know in me, but yes, I know that I can overcome with the time, and I will have a life in which I can learn each and every day. uh, मुझे हर समय को एक ऐसा समय समझना चाहिए जहाँ पे मैं हर समय कुछ ना कुछ सीख रही हूँ. ज़िंदगी फिर और बेहतर बन जाएगी, और फिर हम कह सकते हैं कि मैं खुद से ही इस दुनिया में एक रोशन मीनार बन सकती हूँ. जब मैं अंदर से ये सब चीज़ों से ओवरकम करती हूँ, मेरा जो ड्रॉबैक है, नेगेटिवनेस है, and ultimately I'm able to live a very good and happy life. Yes, friends, so the message of Diwali is that we need to be happy from inside, and then we can enlighten the whole world with not only with the lamps but also from our good deeds. Wish you all happy Diwali, friends, and keep watching my video. Thank you, friends.